Hi loves, welcome back. Thank you for joining me in today. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to be making salted beef, popularly known in Ghana as Tooloo beef. This beef gives the aromatic meaty flavor to any non-meat recipe, and I will also list all the ingredients in the right quantity in the description box below for easy access as always. And this meat a little bit goes a long way to flavor your meal in an incredible way. I will be using my rolling pin to crush my grain of selim to get all the flavors that I wanted, and after that I will be adding my salt. I'm using two types of salt. I just want to use up one of the salt quickly, so be generous with your salt and you don't have to use two types as I'm using. I added my bay leaves, my star anise, my grain of selim, and also I'm going to be adding some chopped onions. I'll mix everything together nicely, and we are going to be covering this. You don't need to refrigerate this. I will leave it on my countertop for about 3 days. The salt is going to cure the meat and change it from this bright red color to dark brown color, and it's also going to change the texture from fresh to a little tougher texture. So this is the next day. I'm just going to open to check on it, and I'll give it a stir. Checking on it, you will see that the color on the meat is not even. Some parts are a little dark brown and some parts are still a little bright color. So I'll cover it and let it stay on the countertop for about 2 days more. So this is the third day. You can see the liquid look very dark. That is what you want on your meat, and it is an indicator that it is done, and you have a uniform color around all pieces of meat. And this is ready. You can use it to flavor your non-meat recipes, and it is so aromatic. A little goes a long way to keep that unforgettable aroma to your meal. And if you plan on using it solely in a dish, make sure you soak it in water for some time to take out some of the salt. And you can use this in your stew, in your soup, in your rice recipe. And watch out for how I use this beef to make a simple rice recipe in my next video. Thank you so much for watching with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.